Okay, here I am changing out a battery for my wife's car. This battery that I had is a Group 42. It goes in a Volkswagen Bug. And this battery looks to be 7 years old, and it just wouldn't hold a charge anymore. So time for a battery. And finding a Group 42 in today's market is going to run you about $170. So I found something, and at Walmart, it is called a Group 58. Okay, so Group 58, where do I see it? Anyways, it does have a terminal protector, okay? And it bolts in the same dimension. So this sells for $99, and then your core and fee and everything. So anyways, thought it'd be a good option to show you what you can get to replace your Group 42. Thanks for watching.